In this video, we will learn how to share or mirror a mobile screen to an LG TV. First, turn on your TV and click on the settings icon. Then click on the Wi-Fi icon and make sure your TV and smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now click on the login icon. Here you can log in using the LG ThinQ app. Mobile web sign-in. Device sign-in. We are selecting the LG ThinQ app sign-in option. Now scan this QR code using your mobile phone to download and connect the LG ThinQ app to the TV. After connecting, scroll down in the app. You will see a share option that contains multiple options. Next, choose Screen Share. A pop-up will appear. Click on Start Now. Now you can see your mobile screen on the TV. Now we have learned how to share or mirror a mobile screen to an LG TV.